A common question we get from vehicle owners or consumers is, do I have to pay my deductible? First of all, the deductible is the amount that is paid out by you, the policyholder, before an insurance provider will cover any added expenses. Remember, you as a policyholder, you chose your deductible amount, and the higher the deductible, the more you saved on your policy premiums. Now, listen, it's not optional, so please don't ask your repair facility to waive or cover your deductible. Instead, you should be focused on how they will repair your vehicle properly. And if you wish to lower your deductible in the future, discuss this with your insurance carrier.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.